Okay, so question 10 is stating object is moving from point A to point B. In part 8, asking what is the work done by the normal force? So for part A, it's saying due to there not being any displacement in the direction of the normal force, there can't be any work done. So N is going to be equal to 0. So in part B, it's asking what is the work done by the weight. So we know that the work for the weight is always going to be the same. So we're going to use the equation that is going to be mg times y1 minus y2. And we know it's going to be a 0. So it's going to be 0 plus mg times y1 minus y2 for part B for the weight. So moving on to part C of the equation, it's asking you what is the speed at point B. We know in order to find the net worth that we can go ahead and use the equations of mg times y1 minus y2 equals half of mv squared minus half of mv1 squared. And if we know that y2 is going to be equal to 0, we can plug in our values. And we know that our v1 is going to equal 0. We can go ahead and plug in our value. There, once we further solve, we're going to go ahead and get, as a result, if v2 is going to equal the square root of gy1.